This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must begin with essentials. Confirm the GeoSIM is active and not barred. Unlock any SIM PIN. Next, force a fresh registration by toggling airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds, then turn it off. Once done, open settings and make sure network selection is set to automatic with LTE/4G prioritized. This forces the phone to search proper bands. If you use a dual SIM phone, temporarily disable the other SIM, so the phone prioritizes the geo connection while it re-registers. Now you address the common software causes. Go to Mobile Network Access Point Names and verify APN is exactly. Name Geo, APN Geonet, type default, Supl. Save and select it. If the APN won't accept, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. This removes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth configs so backup passwords. Physically inspect the SIM tray for dirt or damage, then restart the phone to force a fresh IMS and VO LTE registration. If still stuck, insert the SIM into another 4G phone to isolate the handset. Finally, focus on voice provisioning. Enable VO LTE or Wi-Fi calling in settings and set preferred network to LTE. If registration still fails, contact Geo support to confirm IMS/VO LTE provisioning or request a SIM re-provision. They can push a refresh from the core. You can also swap a new Geo SIM to rule out a faulty card. If nothing works, consider a factory reset only after backing up data. Key troubleshooting tip. If service remains emergency only, test the SIM in a known working 4G phone before resetting your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.